Guys, it's ready. It's ready. Very pure and natural. Natural, guys. Just look at it. It looks so yummy. Hello, my wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends where you guys are watching us from. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, guys, as you can see, I'm going to make juice out of this. This is carrots, ready, clean, slice, and it's ready. So this is celery stick. It's very clean already. I clean it with salt because of sand. And this is ample. Already slice it. And I have some ginger here. And there is lime. This is lime. Guys, you can just use the lime juice. So everything is set, it's ready. I'm going to use my juice right now to juice extractor to extract everything out. Guys, keep on watching. See you. I'm going to be just doing it like this. Okay. Okay. This is pure natural. Guys, there is no water. Right now I'm going to turn it because it's full. Very pure and natural. Then I'm going to continue again. Put this one at the side. turn the second one here. Yes, guys, it looks so yummy. This is so interesting. Very, very. Later, I'm going to mix the two together. So this is the two right now. I'm going to be mixing it together. Very, very pure and natural. Guys, it's ready. It's ready. Very pure and natural. Natural, guys. Just look at it. It looks so yummy. When you drink this early in the morning, drink some in the evening before you go to bed, you will be okay for the day. Bye, guys. See you. This is the oh, guys, just look at everything. This is it. I have to throw this one away. That one is not useful anymore. It is ready. Yummy, 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 yummy. This is pure and natural. Natural and pure. We make your skin shine. Shine. You don't need cream. You don't need bleaching cream. This is what you need. That will make your skin glow. This is what you need. That will make your skin natural glowing. Yes, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.